What if the first real sign of alien life isn't found on Mars, or even in our own solar system, but on a strange ocean world orbiting a dim red star 120 light-years away? Astronomers using the James Webb Space Telescope may have just detected a chemical fingerprint, one that, on Earth, is produced only by living organisms. It comes from a mysterious planet called K218b. And if confirmed, this would be the single greatest discovery in human history. K218b is not like Earth. It's not like Neptune. It belongs to a rare class of planets called sub-Neptunes, bigger than Earth, smaller than Neptune, with no counterpart in our solar system. Wrapped in a thick atmosphere, it is a world caught between categories, a planet that shouldn't exist, and yet does. Orbiting close to a cool red dwarf star in the constellation Leo, K218b sits in its star's habitable zone, the narrow region where liquid water could exist. That already made it a tempting target. But when Webb turned its gaze toward it, the results were breathtaking. Using transit spectroscopy, Webb captured starlight filtering through K218b's atmosphere, decoding the chemical fingerprints of the gases swirling above its hidden surface. What it revealed shocked astronomers: water vapor, methane, carbon dioxide, molecules essential to life on Earth. But buried deeper in the data was something far stranger: dimethyl sulfide, or DMS. On Earth, DMS is produced almost entirely by life, tiny marine plankton that breathe beneath our oceans. Detecting it on an alien world suggests one of two possibilities. Either there's life on K218b, or the universe has invented a chemistry we've never seen before. And that's where the Hycean hypothesis comes in. In 2021, scientists proposed a new class of habitable worlds: planets with thick hydrogen atmospheres and vast global oceans beneath. These Hycean worlds could support liquid water under conditions far broader than Earth-like planets, surviving where Earth would freeze or boil. K218b may be one of them. Imagine an endless alien ocean stretching beneath a hydrogen sky, its waters sheltering microbial life forms utterly unlike anything we've ever known. For decades, humanity imagined Earth 2.0, a rocky twin of our home, orbiting a sun-like star, waiting to be discovered. That dream guided telescopes, missions, and even science fiction. But K218b breaks the mold. It is not Earth-like. It is something far stranger, and yet it may still be alive. This changes everything. It tells us that life doesn't need an Earth clone to survive. That biology may thrive across an astonishing variety of environments. Suddenly, the odds of life in the universe no longer seem slim, they seem overwhelming. But science demands caution. The DMS detection is still tentative, a faint statistical whisper across interstellar space. More data is needed. Webb will keep its gaze fixed on K218b, refining the signal, peeling back the layers of its alien sky. Soon, next-generation observatories on Earth, like the extremely large telescope in Chile, will join the hunt. And in the far future, perhaps robotic probes will even cross the light years, skimming its atmosphere, tasting its oceans, searching for proof. For now, K218b has moved from mystery to destination. It is no longer a mere point of light, it is a world with chemistry, character, and the potential for life. And so we are left with questions that stretch the imagination. What secrets lie beneath its hydrogen skies? Does a global ocean cradle biology in total isolation, unaware that across the stars, a species of dreamers is watching? Will we confirm that DMS is the first true alien biosignature? Or will we uncover an entirely new kind of chemistry, one that proves the universe is stranger than we dared to imagine? The answers remain locked 120 light-years away. But one truth is already clear: the universe is not empty. It is alive with possibility. And maybe, right now, under the shrouded skies of K218b, something stirs in the darkness of an alien sea, unaware that it may soon become the first known neighbor humanity has ever